My name is Fan. I am a licensed architect in Ontario. My firm is called AyA, which stands for Awesome Designs. The reason for the reno was because this house has been constructed for 30 years, but now a lot of these homeowners see that their houses are deteriorating and they want to invest some money into giving a second life to the house and just to improve their life quality. I worked with AyA before on the interior design show booth of 2017 with Partisans and AyA together. So during that project, I had the opportunity to actually go into AyA's manufacturing plant in Mississauga. And I was very amazed with the quality control system in the factory. I saw how everything produced from raw material got cut up into different modules and then essentially get assembled into cabinets. So after seeing all of this, I was very confident that AyA's quality will satisfy the quality requirement of this project. In this particular project, there were several unconventional designs. I wasn't very confident that any cabinetry company would be able to carry out the design as intended, but I was very confident that AyA has that capacity. Affordability is really important for homeowners and for my office because we want to offer great designs to average people. And after considering many of the renowned cabinetry companies in Toronto, in the GTA, we actually figured that AyA offers the best balance between price and quality. This island is the centerpiece of a very big and open living space. So it's not really just a kitchen, it's also a workplace. It's a gathering place where when they have parties, people can sit around it and having breakfast and have a conversation.
My name is Didar. I'm an AyA designer and I worked on this project with Fan. I love the different textures in the kitchen, the use of the stone and the textured wood that we have selected for the kitchen cabinetry. My favorite part is the pantry that is carried all the way up to the ceiling. The use of the black toe kick added a sophisticated touch to the kitchen as well as complementing the hardware and the accessories in the kitchen.
I would say overall my experience working with the designers and with the AyA team during the entire process was nothing but enjoyable.